Is your favorite celebrity in India? Like your favorite, the one you like forever.
Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra.
What?
Masu kallon mu, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Barkanmu da sake kasancewa da ku a cikin wani sabon shirinmu na Azbaɗi TV show. To kamar yadda muka saba kawo muku tattaunawa da ɗalibai wanda muke karatu da su a nan India. To yau ma muna da wani ɗalibi kuma za mu gabatar muku da shi kafin mu je hutu rabin lokaci mu dawo. Insha Allah ga masu buƙatar admission za su iya bibiyan ma kaf faɗin India domin nema musu admission. Yau dai bakon namu muna tare da zan ce ba ma tare da Bahaushe, so za mu kasance hiran namu zai kasance da turanci ne. Insha Allah za mu je hutu rabin lokaci mu dawo, kasance da mu. Masu kallon mu barkanmu da dawowa hutu rabin lokaci. Kafin mu gabatar muku da bakonmu zan so ku ci gaba da bibiyan mu a shafukan sada zumunta. Ku ci gaba da danna mana liking da subscribing da comment da share domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryenmu da zarar mun dora. Ga masu buƙatar admission za su iya bibiyan mu a kaf faɗin India domin nema musu admission. So kar ku manta kamar yadda muka gaya muku cewa bakon namu na yau baya jin Hausa, so program din namu zai kasance da harshen Turanci insha Allah. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very good.
That's great.
Oh.
So which country are you?
I'm Nigerian.
Nigeria.
Yes.
Which state are you living in Nigeria?
Delta State. In the
Delta
south,
State.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So you are studying in India. So which process have you followed and got your admission?
First off, I planned with my parents that I wanted to study in India, which they agreed to. And then of course, I have brothers who are already studying here in India, so they connected me to
Some agents.
some agents here who deals with the school, processed my admission. I got my admission letter, which I used to process my visa papers in the embassy in Nigeria.
Wow.
And it came fast.
Yeah.
And I attended.
So it's so easy to.
Yeah, it's very easy. It's very easy.
That's great. So you are studying. Which college are you studying in India?
I'm studying in Bhagwan University.
Bhagwan University. So are you facing any kind of problem in Bhagwan University during your studies?
No, not any.
Not any problem.
No
You are
problem.
doing your study perfect
Perfect, going
with
well.
physical mind.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That means Bhagwan University is very good college.
It's very good. Yes.
Yeah. You
Compared
can advise
to-
some people to even join the college.
Yes, of course. It's the best.
That's great. So how long are you in India? How long?
3 months.
3 months. Wow.
Right.
So have you faced any form of racism from Indian people?
Different people have different opinion on like races. I have faced some kind of behavior, or I should say, from them, but I won't classify it as racism.
Yeah.
So
Because
no,
some people
not any.
just see you in the road, like picture. Even if you are going in the road, like riding, they will just be taking your picture.
Picture.
That kind
So
of.
I won't classify that as racism.
It's very painful.
It's not, to me. It's not painful. It's
It's so simple, like to say. No
normal.
problem.
If I do see a white man, though when I was a kid, though, if I see a white man, I will take a picture. But now that everyone is grown up, matured, you won't do that
Yeah.
anymore. So I don't see it as racism. I see it
Just like friends.
as them being enticed or being surprised to see someone who is black.
Yeah, to see, yeah, surprising.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, have you tasted their food since the time you arrived in India?
If you are, yes.
So, how do you feel the taste of their food?
The few which I had the courage to taste, I like them.
You like them?
Yes.
Which one is the best?
I've tasted two, biryani and their egg roll.
Yeah,
I like the egg roll more.
you like the egg roll, the
Yes.
chicken egg roll.
Yes, chicken
Yeah.
and egg mixed.
So you take them very well.
Very, very.
That's why you are refreshing. I
Yes.
see your skin is too white. Okay. So Like, which process are you following to get the Indian rupees?
I'm following money borrow the change, money exchanges.
Money exchange.
Yes.
So, like, are you exchanging the money in cheaper rate or high rate?
That is the only I've not compared it to other rates. That is the only rate I've been using, so I can't really tell if it is
You know,
cheaper.
there is many ways
Yes,
to
no.
exchange rupees in India.
Yes.
So, I mean, like the different people, they have many
Oh, yes,
rates.
yes.
They
Different
have
people.
they have many rates to
Yes.
exchange rupees.
Yes.
So, I mean, compared to their rate, which one is cheaper? I like your own and different people.
My own.
Your own
My
is
own.
cheaper.
Yes, my own is cheaper.
At this time, rate of rupees is almost 10.5.
Yes.
So, can you please tell me at which rate do you use to get your rupees?
11.
11.
Yes.
So that means our rate is better than your rate, because
No.
we used to get rupees in 10.5, but you get rupees in 11. That means
Wait, can you do
your
the
rate is
calculation?
expensive.
No, no, no. You get at 10.5, right?
Yeah.
That means, okay, let's say for instance,
Yeah,
you are sent 50,000 naira. How much will they give you in rupees?
50,000.
Yes.
At this time, they will give you 5,000 rupees.
My own is 55,000. Sorry, 5,500. 50,000 will give you 5,500. So that is 11.
5,500.
Yes.
What are the things that make you happy in India?
Okay, the things I've seen or the things I
Yeah.
want. The ones I've seen already.
Yeah, your life. You know, everybody has his own.
24/7 electricity, like lights 24/7.
Yeah.
Then internet as well 24/7. You know, there are some downtime, but it's not like 2 minutes is back online.
Wow.
Then peace. Just
Peace,
like
no-
in Nigeria, the northern parties, urgencies and all that. Just peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
Your
Sleep,
books,
wake up.
security.
You will go anywhere without any
Without
doubt.
any fear, there's CCTV everywhere, all houses, and even on the road.
You don't fear anybody. You will
At
just
all.
be doing your life.
Very
Everybody
easy.
is doing his own life.
Yes, everybody is in their own world.
So that means, compared to Nigeria or compared to Delta State, since you are living in Delta,
Okay.
so you are like between Delta and India.
Okay.
Which place are you comfortable?
India.
India. Okay, because of this, like 5 reasons: data, electricity,
And
freedom.
freedom.
Nobody
No
will disturb
friends
you.
to say, stay inside, do this.
You will
do
just
that.
sit in your house and rest
Yes.
and enjoy.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So, like, do you have some friends in India?
Indian friends or Nigerian friends.
Indian friends
No,
like
not
that?
yet.
I know you will see Nigerian friends. And
Yes,
definitely
a lot.
a lot of people were there. So I mean Indian people. No, but
I have acquaintances. I won't say friends, like the one in Delhi.
Like the
that I used
classmates.
to buy things from always in Delhi.
okay.
So we are very, very close, but I won't say friends.
Okay.
I have different meaning of friends.
Wow. So I know before you came to India, you used to watch Indian Bollywood.
I
Is
watched
that so?
no, but
Like-
I did watch a lot of YouTube before coming to like know about India.
Okay. So who is your favorite celebrity in India? Like your favorite, the one you like forever.
Priyanka Chopra,
Priyanka Chopra.
what is what are we like that? I've forgotten. Yes, Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra. Yeah. So have you met her in
No,
India?
No.
So when are you planning to meet her?
Maybe in the next red carpet show that we have in Delhi.
Okay,
By God's grace.
you will try your best, because
Inshallah.
they are not like our celebrities.
No,
When you try your best, maybe you will get her, and you will definitely meet her.
yeah.
You know, Indian girls are very beautiful,
Yes.
and everybody in this world like beautiful
Girls.
girls
Very true.
with long hair, with long nose.
Yes.
So, are you planning to get like one girl as your wife? girlfriend?
No, not planning.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
But why?
Not planning.
I ask you, Indian girls are very beautiful.
Yes.
They have long hair.
Yes.
They have long nose, square mouth. Everything is good,
Everything.
but you don't like it.
I like, but I don't want. From things I've made my research on their caste system and even a lot of factors going to it, so I don't
Yeah.
want to deal with it.
Maybe you have girlfriend in Nigeria.
No, I don't even have in Nigeria. That one is bigger problem.
It's bigger problem.
Yeah,
Before you have girlfriend, you have to arrange big money.
very big money.
From there, you will start planning.
Yes,
Every man in this life, like fiye girls. I don't
Yes.
know why.
there must be a reason, but nobody knows why.
When you follow them, they will destroy your life.
No, if
Like-
you find the right one, then it
Like,
will be
but-
good,
I mean, when you follow them, you know, in this time around, you have many strategies in your own life
Yes.
to achieve. So when you follow girls, they will not be able to leave you to achieve that kind of things. That
Yes.
is what I'm explaining. So when you follow girls at any situation,
Yeah.
they will destroy your budget.
Yes.
So-
Achieve your goals.
Have you ever visit like Indian city that you like in your life? You know, I know you like many cities in India. So which one and which one have you visited before?
Delhi, Jaipur, and
Yeah.
Ajmer here, Rajasthan.
Ajmer.
Yes.
So which one is better among the three? You say?
I didn't stay in Jaipur for long, so I can't say. But the one I've stayed for long, Delhi, between Delhi and Ajmer, I like Ajmer better.
You like Ajmer better.
Yes.
So can you please tell me like 2 reasons why you like Ajmer?
In Delhi, it's very, very, very hot, but in Ajmer, it's more cooler.
Yeah.
Delhi is always very noisy, lot of very busy, so
Yeah.
also very noisy.
Yeah.
Ajmer is busy but not noisy as much as Delhi.
That's like some advice. 1, 2, 3 advice.
Advice.
Yeah.
I don't have any.
You don't have any advice.
Okay, advice of the I mean, follow the due process.
Yeah.
You should at least try to connect to someone who is already in the school so that you don't get scammed of your money.
Yeah.
Also, make sure you meet someone who is reputable, who has been doing it for long, so that your visa process is very, very quick
Yeah.
and your RP don't get delayed.
Yes.
So that was my advice.
That's
And also don't be scared. India is not like what most or some people are saying, that racial profiling, this and that. No.
And you have to
I've
arrange.
never-
You have to arrange too much money. You have to budget big budget before you came.
Money is
Because-
staying.
Indian rupees
Indian
ve-
rupees, the
very
exchange rate
expensive.
is very, very high.
1,000 is 1,000 Indian rupees is equivalent to 11,000 naira in Nigeria. That is
That is true.
that
but-
was very shameful to our country.
Yes, even before I came, when I googled it in Nigeria before I came, the
Yeah.
exchange rate was showing 5 to 1. That is 1 rupee to 5 naira. But when I came,
Yeah.
I saw it was very different.
So that's all the things are. Okay. We are going to stop here.
Okay.
And so thank you so much, bro.
No problem.
We really appreciate it with your effort, and may Allah help us in this our study and our strategies. Thank you so much, bro. Masha Allah, masu kallon mu anan za mu aje tattaunawar namu. Insha Allah ku ci gaba da bibiyan mu a shafukan sada zumunta. Ku ci gaba da danna mana liking, da subscribing, da comment, da share domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryen mu da zarar mun dora. Zan so a ce kun ji daɗin wannan tattaunawa da muka yi da wannan bakon namu. Masha Allah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.